Go ahead.
Why doesn't our duffel have a bunch of straps? I was hoping you'd ask.
We both were.
The duffel strap is useful for about 3% of your trip. That means carrying it from your room to your car and your car to your motel. Why do we need 100 different straps dangling all over? The other 97% of the time, these straps are gonna be the bane of your existence. It gets in the way of your zippers, blocks your luggage, drags on the ground, and gets caught on everything. And overcomplicates what should be a simple bag.
But Lance, can't I just remove my straps?
You can, but that backpack was designed to be carried by those straps. Our duffel was designed better. By placing low profile hand straps on the side of the duffel, they won't get in your way, and they tuck in to take up less space. In addition to chucking your shoulder sling, we made it easier to open, easier to organize, and gave it just enough pockets for your small stuff and a big place for your big stuff. We wanted to simplify travel. We've been all over the world. Travel's in our bag.
Literally.
And complicated bags have their place, but with a duffel, you want it as simple as possible. The duffel has one big pocket that is super easy to open. The bag just unclips and unzips. Just like that. You want to see it again?
I know I do.
Unclip and unzip. And it opens wide enough that you can find all of your stuff instantly.
Hey, my ring popped. I thought I lost it.
The duffel has enough room to fit all your stuff. In this case, I fit 2 weeks of clothes, my camera, and all my anti-strap propaganda.
Even when it's fully loaded, it's still small enough to be a carry-on. And when your duffel isn't loaded, you can fold it and clip it, so it's out of your way until your next adventure. And this time around, we've got an incredible add-on menu built right into Kickstarter. So if you really need straps, we've got you covered with the backpack strap hookups.
And if you really want, you can turn one of these into a traditional duffel strap. Lance might get mad though.
Not mad, just disappointed. And from the backpack straps to the duffel is an easy transition. Just grab and pull. Whoa, Chris, nice laptop case.
Thanks, it has pockets.
And you can use the removable straps on our laptop case as well, both in backpack and messenger style. The gravel laptop case comes with a compartment, so your cords don't get tangled up with your clothes. Make the most out of your domestic duffel with our packing cubes. Traditional packing cubes come with a zipper and get all loosey-goosey if you don't fill them all the way. So we designed packing cubes that adjust to whatever you throw in them. We make our packing cubes without zippers. Our cubes hold your clothes tight just by folding. No zippers, no problem. And they've got mesh on the side so you can see what's in them without having to unpack. Lastly, we designed the front logo to accept patches, so you can customize your bag with your own look and even make it stand out to quickly identify. Everyone who backs this campaign gets a limited run patch to make your friends jealous. All 3 of these are available in the add-on menu built into Kickstarter. We're using our travel-tested quarry poly material. It's scratch resistant, water repellent, and lightweight. Together we have 15 plus years of manufacturing experience, and we're super pumped to make this bag.
All of our gear is made to move and backed by a lifetime guarantee. This is our 8th Kickstarter and we can't wait to make these bags.
We're committed to making the best travel gear possible. Check out the pledge down below, find one that fits you best, and thanks so much for watching.
I can't handle it!